So, every time you send an email, do you type regards, name, job title, phone number, or maybe even your favorite quote, like it's 2005? That's a lot of typing, my friend. Come, let me show you how to save yourself the stress with an email signature. Now, an email signature is basically that automatic sign off at the end of your emails. Think of it like your digital business card. Instead of you writing your name over and over like a student signing attendance, Gmail just adds it for you. Magic, right? Let's jump in. Open your Gmail. Click on the settings icon at the top right. Go to CO settings. Scroll down until you find signature. Go to create new. Give the signature the name you want and click on create. And you can type in the details. On the right, you can type in the signature as you want it to appear at the end of your email. You can choose if you want it on new emails or on replies and forwarded email. Don't forget to scroll down and click on Save Changes. Gmail loves to test your memory with that one. So now every time you try to create an email, your signature would automatically appear at the end of the email, like this. Couple of tips so your signature doesn't look like a poster. Keep it simple, no rainbow fonts. Make sure your links actually work. Mine here don't work. Mine here are for the purpose of this video only. Use consistent fonts. Only Clean Style is professional. 5 different fonts is graphic design gone wrong. And yes, you can create different signatures, one for work, one for casual email. And that's it. You have a signature that does the talking for you. No more typing your life story at the end of every email. If this video saved you even 2 minutes of typing, hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends who may need it. No stress, just tech with Malamar Tech. Thank you.